resources. 3 solutions. The first one is to finalize the traffic.
You mentioned something that, as you saw, that this we're talking about policy coordination with
planning our
to DG Kera. Because you find, for example,
we are working on an instant fine system that brings together the NTSA as the enforcer. The manager of the Traffic Act brings the implementation of the Traffic Act, which is the national traffic, the police, and the judiciary to really see how to work together. We are in the final stages. We will be looking at a cabinet memo that addresses how we will, even the revenues that are paid in are basically in what you call appropriation in aid, how that revenue is shared between the agencies implementing the instant fines.
As a ministry, we are determined to leverage on technology, and that is why we want to roll out several regulations that my CS will do so within the course of this month, that will look at the issue of motor vehicle inspection, that will look at the issue of leveraging on technology, including the use of telematics for both commercial service vehicles and school transportation, and will also look into the issue of drink driving.